Hello, my name is Swissbianco. In this video I would like to show you the latest Swiss Army knife run that we did. We basically did concentrate on two colors to make a special run for the Blade Show 2011, where Swissbianco did first time exhibit in their own booth. So we did choose the olive green color, which is quite unusual for Victorinox, that military olive green color, and the standard blue. That's a all-time classic favorite color next to silver alox and of course red. So we did make a couple models that we already had in this color combination. First, the firesteel Swiss Army knife. The firesteel attachment on the back of the farmer Swiss Army knife is made by Mr. Fischlin in Switzerland. On my YouTube channel there are videos with Damon Eggert where you can see how that works. It's pretty easy and simple. So of each color we had 15 pieces. Then we did go to the alox bushcrafter Swiss Army knife. This is basically a farmer without the layer of the screwdrivers. You see the red knife is a farmer Swiss Army knife, the blue one is the alox bushcrafter. So you see it has only two layers. It's thinner than the farmer, but have essentially the tools that you need for bushcrafting. Those pieces again in olive green too. Olive green is one of my favorite colors. It's really not easy to anodize, but I love it a lot. Then we did go to the 84mm alox lumberjack. It's basically like the bushcrafter, but it has a wood saw, the main blade and the combination tool, which makes it for a really lightweight, thin, easy to carry, especially for a survival kit kind of Swiss Army knife. Of course we have the split ring on it so you can lash it. And this Swiss Army knife again in olive green too. The alox lumberjack is a configuration that is not made for many years in the original Victorinox line, so I'm happy that we could recreate this Swiss Army knife. Then we go to the smaller classic like shape, the 58mm. We have the Rambler Swiss Army knife. Basically the same size of the classic, but you have more tools in it. It's also interesting that you have a bottle opener and a true Phillips screwdriver. Very nice, thin, useful Swiss Army knife. This is another model that is not available in the standard line from Victorinox, the alox Rambler. Some of those smaller knives will get the blade file worked, like with this one. This one is a silver alox lumberjack, alox Rambler, sorry. We will get some blades file worked with Tom Stratton. And of the bigger blades, of course, too, like with this Pioneer that Tom did make. And the last model I want to show you is the alox minichamp. It's the maximum model of the small 58mm Swiss Army knives. Again, this knife is not available in alox from the factory in the standard line. It's an exclusive. So this has pretty much everything in it what you gonna need. And the same one in olive green as a limited edition. That's basically the blue and olive green run made by Victorinox for Swissbianco for the Blade Show 2011, where also Mr. Elsener Senior got elected for the Cutlery Hall of Fame. Congratulations to Ibach and to all the people who made that possible.